Okay, here today we are going to discuss about lipids and fatty acids. First of all, you have to know that what are lipids. So I have brought here the little definition of lipids. So lipids are basically the group of natural occurring heterogeneous organic compounds. Okay, so what are the heterogeneous compounds, which includes fats, oil, and waxes. Okay, and these are the insoluble in water. What? Insoluble in water. So you have already learned about that the lipids or anything which is insoluble in water, that is known as hydrophobic. Okay, hydrophobic. Anything which is insoluble in water, that is hydrophobic. So here lipids are insoluble in water, so this means lipids are hydrophobic. Okay, and these are the water repellent because they do not touch the water. So now here the one thing they have said, but easily soluble in organic solvent. Organic solvent, like we can say benzene and benzene, ether, etc., which we have studied about the functional groups. So they are also soluble in organic solvents, and they are soluble in the mixture of diethyl ether and ethyl alcohol. Okay, so here this is a little bit definition about lipids. Lipids are the group of naturally occurring heterogeneous organic compounds, and these are insoluble in water. So here the thing arises that lipids are generally composed of elements. So lipids are composed of elements. Those elements are carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, so these three elements are from which lipid is composed. Now here the one thing arises that what are lipids? Lipids are basically the building block of cells. Building block of cells. Okay, and lipids are made up of 3 fatty acids and 1 glycerol. 3 fatty acids and 1 glycerol. Now what are fatty acids? Let's talk about the fatty acids. So here the fatty acids are the lipids building blocks. Okay, these are lipids building blocks. Okay, and they are they are the carboxyl acid with the lengthy chain. Okay, carboxyl acid lengthy chain. That chain can be either saturated or unsaturated. Saturated or unsaturated. So now let's discuss the concept of saturated and unsaturated. So here I'm going to. Okay, so here saturated at the single bond, or we can say this is a sigma bond, and unsaturated have double and triple bond. Okay, and here we have the more hydrogen in the saturated and less oxygen, and over here we have the less oxygen, more oxygen and less hydrogen. Here double bond and triple bond is used in the unsaturated, while in the saturated we have only single bond. As we have studied in the functional or alkyl groups, single bond is known as alkane, while the double bond is known as alkene, and triple bond is alkyne. Okay, so these three bonds are which we have studied previously in the previous topic. So here this was today's lecture. Hope you got it. Bye bye. In the next video we will discuss about the source of lipids. Bye bye.